Welcome to this technical guide on the HP NB13A0002ns. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you found yourself with a cracked screen on your HP Envy, you're not alone. This issue often arises from accidental drops or pressure on the lid when it's closed. If not addressed promptly, a cracked screen can lead to further damage, affecting the display quality and possibly other internal components. To begin the repair, you will need a few tools and materials: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, a replacement LCD cover for the HP NB13A0002ns, and some tweezers. Firstly, ensure your laptop is powered off and disconnected from any power source. To open the device safely, place the laptop face down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe location as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently insert the plastic opening tool into the seam around the back panel and carefully pry it open, taking care not to damage the clips. With the back panel removed, locate the cracked LCD cover. You may find it helpful to refer to the service manual for your specific model for guidance on identifying components. Disconnect the screen cables carefully by gently pulling them out of their connectors, being cautious not to pull on the wires themselves. Next, you will need to remove the screws securing the LCD cover. These are typically located along the edges of the screen. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the cracked LCD cover away from the screen assembly. It's essential to be gentle here to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Now, take your new LCD cover and align it with the screen assembly. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened just enough to hold the cover without over-tightening, which could cause damage. Reconnect the screen cables to their respective connectors, ensuring they are seated firmly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After reassembling the parts, carefully snap the back panel of the laptop back into place, ensuring all clips are secured. Replace the screws at the back panel to finish the assembly. Before closing everything up, power on your device to ensure the new LCD cover is functioning correctly without any issues. If the display looks good, you can proceed to close the laptop and secure it completely. To prevent future screen damage, consider using a protective case or sleeve when transporting your laptop. Additionally, be mindful of where you place your laptop and avoid putting heavy objects on top of it. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.